Let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about being a day trader? It can be pretty awesome. There's low startup costs. The upside is unbelievable, the opportunity to make money. You can do it from anywhere, right? You can travel, and you can do it as many hours in the day as you want. So there's just a lot of really cool features about it. Downside is it's risky if you don't know what you're doing. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the contents of our course, the Day Trading Essentials course. And I'll actually break down what's in each of the 10 chapters that are in the course. And stick around. At the end of the video, I'm going to share with you a way that you can get a significant discount on the course if you act quickly. Hey everybody, it is Jay Crater with the RideShare Guy. Today with my Led Zeppelin 1 mug. I don't know if I've ever said this to you, but I have one true love in my life. One true love, someone that's never broken my heart or let me down. And that's the Zeppelin, Led Zeppelin. So I was really excited to get this coffee mug. It's 9:30 on Sunday. Big day here at the household. We're gonna go see Top Gun Maverick in a couple of hours. So, woohoo! Okay, some background. So my name's Jay Crater, and I was a rideshare driver for 4 years. I did a lot of rides, over 26,000 rides. And during the pandemic, I pursued my passion, which was the stock market and becoming a day trader. And over those 2 years, I've learned quite a bit. I made a lot of mistakes. I lost thousands and thousands of dollars buying things I didn't need to buy, getting into programs I didn't need to get, selecting brokers that I then switched to other brokers. I must have worked with 5 or 6 different brokers over the last 2 years because I didn't really have anyone to kind of give me an overview, so I knew what to do from the beginning. So that's what this course is going to be about. So what's in the course, right? It's broken into 10 sections. And you know what? Why don't I just jump into the beginning of the course and then I can show you exactly what we've got. All right, Day Trading Essentials course. Let's get into it. How this course works. This course will give you the basic knowledge you need to get started in the world of day trading, and it'll provide specific recommendations designed to save you time and money as you pursue day trading. Common misconceptions about day trading. I can make money right away. Okay, you can if you get lucky, but you're guaranteed to lose it if you don't know what you're doing. I just need to invest in crypto, right? That's what a lot of people say. Well, that's not the case. Once I start, I'll figure it out on the fly. Okay, I was guilty of this, right? I'll just get in there and I'll kind of figure it out. Took me 2 years. You don't need to do that. You need a ton of money to get started. No, that's not true either. There are ways to get around what's called the PDT rule. I'll explain what all that is in the course. And common misconception, I need years and years of experience to make money, right? It's not true that the guys who have been in the business 40 years make more money than the guys who have been in it for 2 or 3 years, okay? As long as you learn what to do and you have discipline and put it into action, you're all on the same footing. So what's in the course? All right. So first chapter is day trading defined. So there's lots of different ways that you can spend your money in the market, in the stock market. We're going to define what those options are, which ones are recommended. Number 2, and this is a key one, what kind of hardware do you need in terms of computers and screens? What kind of software do you need in terms of like charting software? And then brokers, right? What broker do you use? And based on your broker, then what's the platform in which you're going to be placing your orders, right? What kind of simulated program do they offer? Okay, is it real time or delayed? So we're going to cover all of that, and this will really right there you get the price of the course back in savings. Okay, then stock selection. How do you find the right stock to trade every day? What's your strategy? Okay, so there's a lot of different options when it comes to strategy. I'm going to touch on some of the basics, okay, and then you're going to go from there. Okay, then the importance of testing and operating in a simulator. There's certain rules you want to follow when it comes to the simulator to make it that time as valuable as possible, and you don't want to spend too much time in there. You want to get to where you're using real money. Then we're going to talk about managing risk, what you got to do, what protections you need in place to protect your assets. Then we'll have a conversation about using real money. Okay. Number 8, what's the psychology of day trading? Okay, I'm going to cover some of the basics, some of the ways you need to look at this line of work in order to make it work for you. And then biology. If you want to get your mind right, first you got to get your biology right. And I'll explain to you a few just daily disciplines that you can incorporate so that you're at your top mental peak when you're looking at your screens and making trades. And then finally, what's the best way to practice and train so that you're at your best ongoingly, even once you've started to use real money. All right. So that in a nutshell is what the course is about. Okay. So then it says, what are the next steps? You got to go one chapter at a time. Don't skip chapters. Complete the items on each chapter's to-do list. So at the end of each chapter, there's going to be a to-do list, things you want to do to make sure you're getting the most benefit out of the course. Then you're going to begin practicing in a simulator, begin a daily health regimen to support your mind. And once you know your style, then you're going to want to look for a coach who's a specialist in that specific niche. That's my recommendation. I've always found that having a coach really has helped me quite a bit. And then stick with it, never give up. As Denzel Washington said, you can get good at anything as long as you practice it enough. All right. Action step, let's do it. All right. So that should give you a pretty good overview of what you're getting into with this Day Trading Essentials course. Just below the video, there'll be a link to where you can go and sign up and also get the discount that I told you about. So what are the key takeaways here? Well, I would say if you're a little bit interested or super interested, go check out this course. I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to save the price of this course pretty quickly in your day trading career by selecting the right hardware, the right software, the right broker, okay, the right simulator, and not waste your money like I did, going in a bunch of different directions, watching tons and tons of videos, YouTube videos. I've curated it all down for you so that you can save time and money and get off on the right foot. And it'll put you a year ahead of where I am, where I got, because I spent so much time going in the wrong direction. So that's the key takeaway. Get educated, then you can start spending your money. All right. So this is Jay Crater. I want to say thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in the course, again, the link is right below. If you haven't subscribed yet to this YouTube channel, definitely subscribe. Every week we bring you 5-6 new videos. Hit the notifications button and then you'll be notified when the new videos hit, okay? Go out and have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Be kind. See you next time.